I tried to create a new channel about 5 months ago, and here's results.
Wow.
Let me tell you how to create a channel with AI and reach this number and even more.
Motherfucking money!
Creating a YouTube channel and making over $10,000 per month in 2023 has become one of the easiest ways.
Really?
That's why I will tell you the best AI websites that will help us create strong and effective content on YouTube. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to succeed in our channel and achieve higher monthly profits. So continue watching the video until the end because each step is very important. First step. Choosing the best niches that generate high profits on YouTube. The best niches on YouTube are technology,
EP of HD gaming systems to
luxury,
when it emerged as a testament,
wealth,
just doesn't reflect it. Just because it was on
health and fitness,
that is ideal for exercising at the gym or at
financial tips,
strategy offers a road
Idea of the long-term process.
celebrity stories,
64 film The Browsing that a boy would immerse
sports,
is a popular
Going to stick with you for a long
e-commerce,
To start selling your product.
Social media sites like Facebook.
psychology,
psychological ride.
Delve into the fascinating realm of
travel,
Start with a traditional
the gateway to China.
education,
And at first glance, you might
Everything, but you still can't figure out.
cars,
Who held the title for the most expensive new car in
motivation,
can be a sneaky enemy, robbing us of precious.
and relationships.
Courage, get better, get wiser, get stronger.
Select wisely and carefully the niche you want to focus on before starting your YouTube channel. I will mention all the sources that can benefit you without much research. Second step, how to create a YouTube channel. Once we have chosen a specific niche, let's say motivation, we will create a new channel on YouTube and give it a unique and attractive name. To generate channel names, we can use ChatGPT or Cohesive. All of this is free. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us 20 new names for the motivation channel. Third step, how to create a free logo. Logos are usually difficult to create and you may need a specialist to design a professional logo. However, there are websites that can help you create and modify logos without any problems. One of the best free websites for this is Canva. You can choose from their free logo templates and customize them easily. Go to the right and click on Create a Design. Then choose Logo and choose what you like. You can change all of the logo, from text and background and fonts, and it's done. Fourth step, how to create a powerful script. Many of us don't know how to write a script. To solve this, you can either go to ChatGPT and ask for motivation YouTube channel gives me 700 words talking about powerful motivational speech. We will not take the addresses, we will take the motivating speech. Or try writing it yourself. Focus on creating a captivating intro that grabs viewers' attention within the first 3 seconds. Additionally, if you need to translate your script from your language to English or English to any language, you can use OpenL, which is a powerful AI translation tool. Fifth step, how to get voiceovers. In 2023, voiceovers have advanced a lot. There are many websites that offer voiceover services, but the best and most realistic one is 11 Labs. They provide various types of voiceovers that you can use for your script. You can even use instant voice cloning or voice design to create your own unique voice. To adjust the sound correctly on the script and not make it sound like a robot,
I want to talk to you about something that has the potential to change your life forever, the power within you.
I will tell you the best result I have achieved in terms of sound. We can set clarity plus similarity enhancement from 60 to 100% and decrease stability from 40 to 25%. This will give you better performance and a better sense of sound.
I want to talk to you about something that has the potential to change your life forever, the power within you. Each one of us possesses a reservoir of untapped potential, waiting to be unleashed. It's time to tap into that power and embark on the journey toward success.
Sixth step, how to get free videos. There are several websites where you can find free stock videos, such as Pixabay offers over 2.3 million images and videos, all released under a simplified Pixabay license. All content on the site can be used for free, whether for commercial or non-commercial purposes. Videvo offers thousands of free stock video footage, as well as motion graphics, music and sound effects created by their community of users. Pexels began as a free photo site, but has since added a large library of free HD and 4K stock videos. All photos and videos can be used for free. Vidsplay. There are new videos added every few weeks to the Vidsplay collection, which makes it a great resource for keeping your social video content fresh. Cover. Now it has thousands of free videos, which have been downloaded more than 5 million times. All the videos are in HD and available to download in MP4 format. Mixkit. We're talking stock video clips, music, sound effects, and even video templates. It's a library of resources provided by a company called Envato. Mazwai. Mazwai describes its free stock footage and moving images as hand-picked. All of these websites offer a wide range of free videos that you can use for your YouTube channel. The 7th step, how to get a lot of followers in a short time. To be able to get a lot of followers in a short time, you need to upload many short videos. This will increase the number of your followers. Upload many short videos on YouTube, and we will do this through ChatGPT. We will ask it to provide us with 50 fact motivation videos for YouTube Shorts, with a start point and a positive endpoint. We will choose what we want and go to 11 Labs to select a suitable voice for the chosen content. We will adjust the settings until we achieve good results.
You are in control of your happiness. Choose happiness every day.
Make videos that are a maximum of 30 seconds long and upload them frequently. Within 15 days, you will see an increase in your followers.
You are in control of your happiness. Choose happiness every day.
The 8th step, how to get high views for your video. The thumbnail should be powerful and not crowded, like this, and this, and this, and this. The title should not be too long, like this, and this, and this, and this. Try to make it short while capturing the viewer's attention. The script should contain strong and valuable information. The editing should be eye-catching and not boring. Lastly, use Video IQ to identify the keywords for each video and to generate an intelligent description. It will also create a strong title that will attract viewers. You will be able to determine the most powerful tags to quickly reach the audience. The link will be found in the description. Important things to keep in mind while building your channel. Be careful with videos and music that have copyright. Don't get discouraged in the beginning, as it is always challenging. Look at the results of your work after a month or two. If it performs well on YouTube, it can replace your job, secure your future, and allow you to open multiple channels. Avoid buying views or subscribers. It is the riskiest thing you can do. Don't steal someone else's content to prevent your channel from being closed. Put in effort, learn editing, make mistakes, and learn from them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn how to make money online through various methods and increase your monthly income. See you in the next video.